Hello, everyone. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. This summary was created using Notebook LM, but the concepts we are discussing today come directly from actual, public sources from leading tech thinkers. Working with AI coding agents today feels a lot like micromanaging an intern. You write a prompt, read the output, and type the next instruction. It is a slow, turn-by-turn process where explaining the task often takes longer than doing it yourself. To fix this bottleneck, we can look at our relationship with AI through 3 distinct levels of maturity. Level 1 is manual prompting. This is the baseline where you hold the AI's hand the entire time, typing out every single command. Level 2 is context engineering. You provide the AI with specific background documents and technical rules to improve the accuracy of its answers. Then there is Level 3, loop engineering. This is a shift towards designing an automated system that continually prompts the AI for you. You set a goal once, and the system iterates on the task until the work is actually finished. Adopting loop engineering is similar to becoming the CEO of your own digital department. You are building a self-running operation out of 6 core blocks. Block 1 is automation, a daily heartbeat triggering the system to find work. Block 2 is memory. A persistent to-do list file tracks progress between sessions. Block 3 is skills. A written rulebook prevents the AI from guessing your coding preferences daily. These 3 pieces provide the trigger, the context for the task, and the memory of the work. They allow the AI to function autonomously, but we still need a way for it to interact with the world. Now we move into how the AI actually gets the work done, and how we ensure that work is safe. Block 4 is connectors. A digital ID badge allows the system to interact with real-world tools. Block 5 is work trees. Isolated digital desks preventing parallel agents from overwriting files. Block 6 is subagents, splitting tasks between a maker drafting code and a checker reviewing it. This split is essential for quality control. An automated system should never be allowed to grade its own homework. You need that second agent to verify the results. While these loops are incredibly capable, they introduce new risks that could easily overheat a project if you aren't careful. First, there's the financial risk of the token bill. An automated loop stuck in a logic error all night is like an intern maxing out the corporate credit card on repetitive, useless tasks. Even with a checker agent, the final liability is still on you. When a loop claims a task is finished, that is merely a claim, not a proof. Your job is to ship code you have personally confirmed works. We also have to watch out for comprehension debt. This happens when the AI builds systems faster than you can actually read and understand them, leaving a massive gap in your knowledge of your own software. If you stop exercising your own judgment and blindly trust the machine, you've reached cognitive surrender. It is a comfortable trap, but it eventually leads to losing control over your work. Navigating these risks requires you to stay in the driver's seat. This shift turns you into a system architect. Your value lies in designing the workflows and enforcing the standards, while the AI manages the repetitive turn-by-turn implementation. For more deep dives into cloud, security, and AI insights, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel at Eyal Estrin. See you next time!